Welcome back to another video on the App Hub. This will be a short one, just to walk us through the Metamask integration that has landed as part of the EVM Supercharger upgrade. Without further ado, let's go. When you first land onto the homepage of the App Hub, you'll notice something different about the Connect Wallet button. When we click on this, it'll show us two options to choose from. Traditionally, we connect using the CENNZnet wallet, but this time round, we go ahead and try connecting with Metamask. The App Hub will then detect your Metamask extension and will automatically use Metamask on the CENNZnet network. You don't need to add manually the CENNZnet Azalea mainnet to use Metamask on App Hub. The work is done for you in the background. You can see this is so. When I click on the Metamask extension, it does not show us the Azalea mainnet network or any CENNZnet testnet networks. Now you can utilize all the functions of the App Hub using your Metamask wallet. Let's do a swap, trading CENNZ for CPAY. Keep in mind that these are only trading values on the testnet. Going ahead with the swap will bring up a Metamask signature request. Extra for experts, in the message, you can copy the contents and paste in your URL browser to get the transaction details. For now, simply sign the transaction and wait for the confirmation. When you see the screen, your transaction has successfully completed. Now you can see your Metamask balance here, as well as here. But if you wanted this to be displayed on your Metamask extension wallet, you will have to add the CENNZnet network. This can be done easily via chainlist.org. To search for CENNZnet, find CENNZnet Azalea mainnet and click Connect Wallet. Alternatively, you can add the network manually using the details here. Instructions are in the video comments below. For me, since I'm using App Hub on RADA to create this video, I will have to add the RADA network. The steps are all the same. Just click Connect Wallet, then Add to Metamask, which will bring up a prompt. All you have to do is click Approve and then switch to the new network. Now if we navigate back to the CENNZnet App Hub, we can check that we have 650 CENNZ and 1500 CPAY. Now if we click on our Metamask extension and I navigate to CENNZnet RADA, for you this will be CENNZnet Azalea, you can see that we have 650 CENNZ and 1500 CPAY. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop into our Discord. Link is in the description down below. Stay tuned.